Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hancock County, southwestern Henderson County, Henry County, Des Moines County, Louisa County, southern Johnson County, Washington County, southeastern Iowa County, Lee County, central Clark County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Brighton to Keokuk, moving north at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near New Boston, Coppock, Summitville, West Point, Bluff Park, Merrimack, Westwood, Moore, Rome, and Mount Hamel around 7:45 p.m. Washington, Henry County Fairgrounds, and Washington County Fairgrounds around 7:50 p.m. Washington Airport, Noble, Mount Pleasant Municipal Airport, Westchester, Lowell, and Stevenson Park around 7:55 p.m. Olds, Fort Madison Municipal Airport, Sawyer, and Sweetsburg around 8 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Geo State Park, Denmark, New London, Nyota, Richmond, Ainsworth, Crawfordsville, Kelowna, Camp El Quita, Mar Park, Augusta, Amish, Danville, Winfield, Welter Recreation Area, Haskins, Freytown, Wyman, Mount Union, Sharon Center, and Middletown. Take cover now.